yeah. They are really good. Decent.
I think McCollum's are better.
Do you even, because they have like the harder stuff. This is like soft. What is it called? Apple cider. Whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, Alex and I just went to the apple orchard, but it's called like Kuiper's. I think it's called Kuiper's Family Farm. I'm like super bad at pronouncing things, so I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but we had so much fun. I'll do a little haul for you guys of what we got, but they have so much fun stuff to do there. Hold on, let me sit down and I'll explain it to you guys. So it's like a apple orchard, so you can pick apples if you want. We personally didn't. We have picked tons of apples in our lifetime that we were like not really wanting to do that. We would, but oh, and Hunchy's so happy we're home. I just took him outside, but we don't really care. Like, it's not the top of our list to go apple picking, but we'll do it, of course. We enjoy it. But instead, they had so many fun things to do. They have their own hard cider, so of course we got some of that. And they also do different cocktails as well, which is fun, and beer too. We did the cider because we like to do like hard cider at apple orchard. It's super fun. And then they also had a chili cook-off contest going on, which is just like a fun thing, you know. And then that was like the one side of the orchard is like the bar, and like there's a store, and they had like the chili cook-off. And then on the other side, it was more of like the activities. They also do have bar and food as well, and they have food trucks, which is super fun. We actually didn't get any food, but we did the pig race. We watched the pig races. So much fun. That was my favorite thing, was the pig races. As you see in the video before, I loved it. It was like the best thing. It just made it really feel like a country fall vibe. Like, it was so fun. And then we did the corn maze. That's not my favorite, that's Alex's favorite. He likes to challenge himself, pretending like he wanted to go way deep, and I'm like, we're not doing that. He wanted to get lost on purpose to challenge himself, and I was wearing Docs with really thin socks, so I said absolutely not. And then we did a haunted trail. We also did just like a normal trail, and Alex, you saw, like tried to carve our names in. Super cute. Didn't work out, but cute thought. And then what else did we do? Oh, we did a haunted house. It was actually pretty spooky, and it said no kids, and I agree. Like, if I did that as a child, I would be very creeped out, because I did it as an adult and was still pretty creeped out. Oh yeah, super fun. Like, they have, as you guys saw, they have like, you put the apples in and you have a target and you can launch them. I actually didn't get any videos of myself. I should have, but I got videos of Alex, so you can see that. But that was so fun. That was my second favorite thing. They also had this huge slide, but we didn't go down it because it was like pretty far from all the other stuff that we were doing. Wish we would have on my bucket list to do next time. It's like a super huge intense one. It's not just like, you know, those like little fair slides. No, it's a huge one. And they have one of those jumpy things as well. Didn't go on that because we'd definitely be the only adults there and it'd probably be creepy. But they had just like a bunch of fun games. You know, like those posts with the ball that are tethered? I didn't know those were still a thing. They had them. And they had like corn hole and just like a bunch of fun games like that that you could do. Oh, of course, there was like a farm. So there's a bunch of goats and cows and stuff, and you could feed them. Just fine. There was like the biggest bunny I've ever seen. Little chicks, and what else? Oh, you also got a free pumpkin, and not necessarily free. Like, you had to pay a fee. It was like $20 a person to get in on the other side, like where all the fun activities are. But like everything else was free to do except the apple target thing was $5 for 8, which I think is pretty good. We did 4 each, but everything else is free besides like obviously drinks and stuff. Oh, they also had a live band. So fun. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. But no, it was a lot of fun. I feel like it was the best apple orchard I've been to. I don't know. So yeah, we have 2 pumpkins. Hush was very interested in them. They're in the hallway by our door. We're gonna make pumpkin seeds though, so we will bring them in. And Hutch is like gnawing on the little stem of it, so I'm interested to see how he's gonna react. I'm gonna be bringing them inside. He's always very curious about things. As you can see, he's been pretty lonely. He was home alone. It was like an hour drive, like hour and a half drive. It took us 2 hours on the way there, but on the way home we got home super fast. But yeah, super fun fall day. Oh my gosh, I haven't had that much fun in a while. It was just like a nice wholesome fun. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. And when Alex gets back from parking the car, I'll show you the different things that we got from there. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. He clearly was missing. Were you missing us? Yes, you babies. I've been waking up with this on my chest lately. We're done with the stuffed animals because he just destroys them. So we've been getting toys like this, and he loves them in bones. So they work pretty great. Recommend these if you have a destroyer of a dog. He gets pretty intense with the bones as well. But he will put these on our chests. What does he got now? Oh, he's got a Kong now. We will put peanut butter in this, and he loves it. Sit. Oh, good boy. High five. Oh. Yes, so now we're gonna get dinner and relax. So we're gonna watch, was that necessary? We're gonna watch scary movies to really end our fall day. This is just like my favorite kind of days, and I'm so excited, if you can't tell. I just love doing fall activity. Fall is both my favorite season and Alex's favorite season, so it's a pretty fun time in our relationship. We like to do fall things together, and we both are really into like thrillers and scary movies, and we both love Halloween. So yeah, I'm happy that I found someone that equally enjoys it as much as me. Just my favorite season, favorite holiday. Except I don't think we're doing anything this year for Halloween. But Halloween's very intense in the city going out. It's a lot. And I don't know if I really want to do that this year, so we'll see. We have to get Hutchie a little outfit. You need a little outfit. You need a little outfit. But yeah, that's just an update. I will update you guys in a few on what we get for dinner. I think we just have like a little restaurant in our apartment. It's called Buongiorno's. It's Italian. It's so good. It's like a family-owned restaurant, and it's to die for. So I think we're just gonna do like sandwiches from them. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something and I forgot. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a few. I gotta play with Hutch, clearly. Oh. Are those pumpkins? Ooh. These are the pumpkins we got. We got a small one and a big one. Alex took forever. Oh. Because you can't make decisions. So yeah, these are our little guys. They obviously need to be wiped down. They're pretty creepy. Hutch is loving them, regardless. Oh. That was good. Okay. You out of here? Those were the same ones. Oh, really getting into it now. Oh. A little much, Hutchie.